Hey guys, Hayden here from All These Hobbies, and today I'm going to be starting a new series of videos about upgrades I'm going to go fit to the FTX Outlaw to improve its performance and durability. Basically, I'm just going to remove all its stock electronics and put in place different upgraded ones. And I know I have already upgraded the ESC to a Hobbywing ESC, but with the electronics I'm going to put in, that will also have to be upgraded as well. Hopefully by the end of this series, this thing should be even more of a beast, and I know I haven't uploaded many videos lately, and that's probably because we have moved to a new location, which has 4 acres, lots of rocks, and a little bit of flats. So hopefully, once this series is completed and all the upgrades are installed, this thing will be an absolute beast to drive. So stay tuned for more great videos of the series. Subscribe to be notified when more videos come out, and hopefully I can inform you on good upgrades to make to your own FTX Outlaw to make it better. Alright, so our first package has arrived 2 days ago, and these are going to be the first sets of upgrades I'm going to do to the FTX Outlaw. I ordered these from Aliexpress and they shipped quite quickly, so I'll leave the link in the description where you can get these from. So what I ordered was 3 metal parts. I'll just take the body off. I ordered the rear trailing arms, the rear drive shaft, and if you can look in here, these rear links back here, which are all metal. So I'll get them out of the package right now. So there's the drive shaft. Looks pretty good. The rear trailing arms. Some cool stickers to add to your body. Yeah, they look pretty nice. And last but not least, the rear links. So I'll get them out of their packets and show you. So this is all that arrived in this packet. They came quite well packaged, even the little bags that they came in are quite high quality. But the parts themselves are really quite well machined. They do look very smooth. They are very smooth. They have nice edges. They seem like a very strong metal. And yeah, it came with the stickers, so that's always a bonus to add to your car, make it look cooler. But overall, this cost me around $30 odd from Aliexpress. Like I said, the link will be in the description below where you can get these from. And they shipped quite quickly. I only ordered these a week and a half before, and they came very quickly. Probably the quickest I've ever received parts from Aliexpress, so I would recommend getting these because getting them on eBay or something, they're really quite expensive. Like this drive shaft is like $50 on eBay, and on Aliexpress I got it for, I think it was 13. So really good deal. Really good price. It's probably the shipping that cost the most. So I'll go fit these parts onto the car, and I'll be using these hobby screws. These are really good tools. A video on them might be later, but I would highly recommend getting yourself some of these. So I'll fit them on and then we'll come back later. Alright guys, finally got the metal parts fitted. As you can tell, it's probably a bit darker and there's less light. It's because the parts took a little bit longer than expected to fit, and I also had some friends over for lunch. I'll put the link down in the description to Juicy Josh's channel. Go check it out for some great content. These metal parts, they fit on pretty good, and they really do add to the look of the vehicle. The only thing I had an issue with was these rear links here. See, the bolt's not all the way in. That's because the screws that screw into the axle, that housing there, the silver housing, is kind of like curved, so the bolts don't go all the way in. Whereas on the plastic ones, see how it's literally just goes straight into the curve. It doesn't like kind of curve back outwards. So the bolts can go all the way up to the to the plastic piece, very flush. These, they can't because it's a little bit curved, whereas these, yeah, it's pretty much just a half circle, whereas the other ones, they're kind of like half circle, then they curve back outwards, so it doesn't let them go all the way in. But other than that, they fit in well, really good quality, and I'm really happy with the quality of the metal parts. The only thing is, I will have to Loctite this drive shaft pins in, so it doesn't fly out and rattle itself apart when you're driving it, especially with the new upgrade that I'm getting. That will have to be a necessity. But overall, really happy with the price and the shipping times of these parts. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was only a short one. Upgrade 1 of many to come. Hope you enjoyed it. Consider subscribing for more great content on how to upgrade your Outlaw, and good videos and just really good content. Hopefully you can stick with me until the end so we can see how this thing performs once it's fully upgraded. So please comment, like and subscribe, and see you until my next video.